We are thrilled to introduce you to our brand new Help Center, which will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the MDO platform. To access the Help Center, go to Prospecta's website and click on MDO Help button. You will be redirected to the Help Center. The What's New section provides users with a snapshot of recently released features, updates, and videos of our platform. The Academy section redirects you to the Prospecta Academy. Learn and take detailed courses on the MDO platform. Raise support tickets and get assistance from our team using the support section. Let's see some more features of the Help Center. With our powerful search function, find articles and resources in seconds. In the platform tile, you will find detailed guides on our MDO platform. Understand different topics and subtopics using the platform documentations. The Release Notes tile will help you find comprehensive information about software updates, enhancements, and the entire release process. Access our partner portal using the Partner tile. Using the Roadmap and Ideas tile, keep yourself updated on the upcoming features and information on the product roadmap. You can also submit your ideas here. The Industry Solutions tile provides you key insights on our pre-configured solutions for different industries. Get access to various resources such as best practices, implementation guides using the Resources tile. Use the Explore to Run tile. Get a detailed understanding of Prospecta's recommended methodology for project implementations. The Developer Resources tile provides developers access to various learning materials on MDO. At the bottom of the Help Center, you will find the What's Coming section, which will give you a sneak peek of our upcoming features. Provide your feedback and suggestions using the Feedback button. We recommend bookmarking the Help Center page for quick reference. Get ready to explore, learn, and engage with our MDO Help Center.